Hello, all. So, thank you for inviting me, and good to see all the young faces looking forward to bright future. So, I will not be talking about data analytics today. Although I have been running data analytics company for now 2 decades and more, my background is not in data analytics. I am a commerce graduate, but that has been my passion. So I have built a large data analytics company and learned data analytics while doing the work. So I'll be talking about two things, and the answer to two questions will be this one single answer. So you are in data analytics, data science, and AI space. You are hearing the thing that AI is going to destroy humanity, or somebody is saying AI is going to help humanity. At the same time, at your personal journey, you are trying to figure out how you will be successful in your life and what messages you can receive from the people who are talking on the forum here. So the answer to both the questions I'll try to give in one simple way. Let's make it interactive. So there has been very old Hindi movie, Sholay. Who has not watched Sholay? Okay, everybody has watched Sholay. Arey, you have not watched Sholay. Dekh lo. Okay. You have also not watched. You should. So these are the movies that one should watch. So Sholay में अमिताभ बच्चन का नाम क्या था? जय. Very good. Then after a few years, अमिताभ बच्चन का और एक मूवी आया था, अग्निपथ. I'm an old man, so. Okay, अग्निपथ में उसका नाम क्या था? Vijay. Okay. So my topic is going to be on Jay and Vijay. What is the meaning of Jay and what is the meaning of Vijay? Victory. So दो शब्द एक मीनिंग. क्यों? Okay, meaning is different, and this meaning I learned from one very erudite person. He is currently the governor of Kerala, Muhammad Khan, Arif Muhammad Khan. He is authority on Quran as well as authority on Upanishads. So in Upanishads, in the Hindu religion that I follow, there are two meanings to these words. Jai means where I am victorious, but along with that, everybody along with me is victorious. Okay, that is why we say Jai Hind. When we say Jai Hind, it doesn't mean that other countries have to fall behind. We want everybody to go with us. Meaning of Vijay is different. In Vijay, meaning is that when I win, somebody else loses. Okay, that is why our army celebrates Vijay Divas, because army has to fight a war and have to defeat the enemy. So they celebrate Vijay Divas while we say Jai Hind. Understood this? And this should be the philosophy of life, that maximum time, whenever you are doing any work, your objective should be that can I structure my work in such a way that it will lead to Jai for my clients, for my colleagues, for my employer, for environment, as she mentioned. If you can do that, success will always be with you. Obviously, there will be some times where you have to think of Vijay. If you are doing a commercial bid and there are 2 or 3 people who are bidding, then obviously you have to be winner and others will be the losers. But how do I structure my bid? I structure my bid such that I give something more to my client, not just lower price, but something that will help him to be successful in long term. Keep that in mind. Whatever data science tools you are using, whatever AI tools you are going to use, if you use these tools with this particular thinking of Jai Vijay, you will be successful. And not only that, AI will never destroy humanity if we apply with this attitude. Right? If you think more, the tools at your disposal, you are the person deciding how they are going to be applied. Right? And we have forgotten this. people think that capitalism hai. Capitalism means everybody has to look at their own interest. But if you look at the father of modern economics, Adam Smith, in 1776 he wrote a book, Wealth of Nations. And people who have learned economics would know that that is the foundation of capitalism. But 19 years before that, he wrote a book called Theory of Moral Sentiments. What does that book says? That there has to be mutual moral sympathy. That is the basis of human interaction. And anything that you do in business, and data analytics is a business. He mentioned that data analytics is used for showing products on Amazon. So it's a human interaction happening on a screen. So moral sympathy with other party, your users, has to be the foundation. People have forgotten that right now. That is why all these issues are coming of that capitalism. People think it's a just greed thing, but it's not just greed thing. The basis of capitalism for long-term success is moral sentiment. Now the issue comes that I want to be successful, and if I'm successful, people say, whom should I compete with? The person who is coming first in my batch, or the person fast promotion in the job market, in your job? Whom should I compete with? You should compete with yourself. That is the best competition that you can have. Compete with you yesterday. Your today should be better than yesterday. Your tomorrow should be better than today. If you compete with yourself every day, you will never lose. Because what will happen is that if you compete with others, someday you will be number one and you will think you achieved everything, and you will drop your guards, somebody will come and overtake you. But if you are competing with yourself, you will never drop your guards. You will always be moving forward. And that is where Sir mentioned that you will always be learning. Why you have to learn every day? Because new things will come up. Okay, when we did our education, AI was just an idea. Right? We had to learn that as we went along. New things will come. Quantum computing, cyber security you are doing. Quantum computing is going to come. Quantum communication is going to come. And that is going to change the paradigm of cyber security. And when it comes, just before it comes, you have to learn that. And what paradigm will come to learn that? Right now, we don't know. But to be successful, you have to learn at that time. So, another point that I want to mention is that we in India have suffered quite a bit because of industrial revolution, which happened in the Western world, and India became colonized. All of us know that. And for us, the mantle is on the new generation that AI does not become a tool of colonization by the Western world again. The Saudi foreign minister was here in Delhi in month of February, and he made a public appeal to Indians, to Indian government, saying that India should invest heavily in AI and data analytics, so that we means by he meant the Eastern world have technologies available to compete with the West. So keep that in mind, that you are not building your own career, you are not earning money for yourself, but you have a responsibility to develop a tool that will help protect our generation, your generation, and generations to come from this very, very powerful tool falling into hands which might have wrong intentions. So, with this, I would like to thank everyone. I hope my thoughts were useful to you. Thank you very much, and all the best for you for your journey.